one of the updates that we did recently was in the contacts area. If you go into a contact record, Laura had said, well, if I've got data in my personal details or in my priorities, I would like, those tabs to be colored just a shade different. So if I put something in the priorities and I leave it, you'll see that now it's just a little darker than the rest. That's just to indicate that there's something in there. So if I'm going, left or right or whatever, then if there's nothing in there, and the green will kind of get darker too if that's what you're currently looking at. But let me just go to tags or whatever. So as I move from record to record, it now just shows you that it's a little darker. I only did that for these two, the personal details and the priorities, because technically this data, even though it's just one field, it's still part of this main record of information. Now, a calendar it isn't really part of this record. It yet again, and this is another similar type case as the properties. These are separate records that are part of the calendar, and I don't even look at these. I don't load them. I don't even look at them until you click on it, and then I pull it from the database. So whenever I'm going from record to record here, because the priority and the personal details is part of that record, I can do that. For these other ones like files and agreements, these are actually a many to one relationship. There's many records in these sections. I have many files to one activity. I'm not looking at each one of those because it would take time to load. Okay. And I don't want to slow that down. But these two I could do simply because they're part of the main record.
That's fine. So what we'll do is we'll just make a tag that says check file for, something like that. That'll be fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.